Here is how to access Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can access Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, there are two ways of accessing Google Drive. The first option is to download the application yourself and then log into your account. After that, you can do the task that you want in Google Drive. The second option to access Google Drive is opening a Google Drive link. For that, go to the place where you have received the link. It could be any social media platform or Gmail. After you go to the Gmail and open that specific mail, you will get a message like this that the particular person has sent an invitation to view a particular folder or a file. In the same email, you will also get this open option. Tap on open and you will be able to access that specific Google Drive. Instead of email, if you have received the link on any other social media, then simply tap on that link and it will take you to the official website of Google Drive, or in case if you have that application, it will take you to that application. So in this way, you can easily access Google Drive. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.